Fran Pam.
Fran Pan.
Biggest tent ever in recorded history.
It's all fine.
What even?
What the? Why? Why is this happening to us? Oh, the eggs.
Oh jeez.
Oh, we'll check that out.
Oh god.
Oh, breakfast.
Now we have nothing to eat.
Now we're gonna die.
Now we're gonna die of starvation.
Okay, are you ready? This is the moment of truth. Oh! One's cracked and that's it.
That's good. All right.
Wow. I know everyone was worried, but they're all okay. It's a Christmas miracle.
It's a Christmas miracle.
That is a big mofo.
Big mofo. There is a river, and it's a creek.
Oh, got it. Oh yeah.
It's the nudists.
Oh no, it's the nudist. You got a weapon. We have weapons. We're fine.
Wait, that's good. The nudes are leaving.
The nudes are out. Nudes out.
Out.
Bye-bye nudes.
Bye, nudes.
Nude.
We are the best. We're the geniuses of tent building. Not for camping though.
Yeah, it doesn't really
Dang.
go that far down.
It's ginormous.
So, let's move it.
This is not for camping though. Where's Billy Crystal when you need him? Let's go. Oh god.
We're going in there.
Enough room? I'm gonna go in and scare them. Oh god!
What's going on?
Nothing! He wasn't scared.
This is ginormous.
It's huge. Look, there's like,
Separate room.
we have 2 rooms. Oh, this is great. Thank you.
You know how to do it?
Have a fire all day.
Yeah.
Quantos wood.
Probably just want a couple.
My strategy was to light it on fire.
As money as possible.
Yeah.
The bugs are gone.
Yeah, they don't like the smoke.
Me llamo Mikey.
Shoot, the nudes.
They were like looking at us.
They almost drove in here.
Smoking me out.
What the?
There. And it turns white when it dries. It's like tan right now, and then it goes white when it dries.
Fancy.
There. Hi.
Who's there?
Lettuce.
Lettuce who?
Lettuce, and it's cold outside.
Spider.
Knock knock.
Get it.
What?
Pass me that shoe.
He's really small. He'll eat all the bugs.
No.
He's our friend.
Excuse me, who are you? Tribal stuff?
Did I get it?
I don't know.
I think I got it.
Like this?
You have to roundhouse kick him in the tent.
How do I do this? In the summer.
You can get that on camera.
Yeah.
This is very steep.
All along, look at that.
Oh, heck yeah, this is sick.
Let's see the temperature.
Yeah, check it.
God, it's so nice. People are just swimming in here. It's pretty cold, but it's not that bad. No, you can see there are people in here because look, there's
Yeah.
these rocks are wet. That tree is pretty awesome.
Get the picture.
I'm sliding down too.
Oh, God! Maybe it won't do that.
Ooh.
Yo, what's up?
An unexpected windfall will be yours. I was like pretending to be someone else. Sometimes I like to do that. Do you have 2 arms?
They're not arms, so no.
But you have 2 legs.
Yeah.
Do you swim?
Yes.
No.
That's an L. It's an L. Or it's a nude.
It's a nude.
You know. No.
How do we turn it on?
No.
The nudes are coming.
What time is it?
It's like 8.
Oh God, I knew this would happen.
Hey, what is that?
The Ranger.
It's not a car.
What is it?
Josh, should we tell them? I think it's better if you guys didn't know. I don't want you guys to be scared. Oh no, they're coming around back. No, it's nothing. It's just a car. Something sounds wrong. Butter while the butter's melting.
Rave! Oh yeah. Oh. S'mores time. Heck yeah.
This is not camping. We're just trying to see, like,
just seeing
simulate what people do when they're camping.
We're not actually.
We're just pretending.
Hello everyone. Finished product. We're going to bed now.
Take it all. Take the credit cards. Take
We just got poison oak.
We just got poison oak.
Nice. Good.